It is the 27th of February finally. Ted and Ronnie have been waiting for this day. It is the day of the great fire engine race. They are going to cheer for their friends Tanky 98 and Frankie 97. Ted and Ronnie are up early and reach the venue ahead of time. As they wait, they wonder, "Hey Ronnie," says Ted, "who do you think should win, Tanky or Frankie?" Ronnie replies,
"Oh, I did not think of that. That is a tough one. I like them both."
Ted says, "Well, you have to choose. You cannot support both of them." Ronnie says,
"Why not?"
Ted replies, "Of course not. We cannot support both. Whom do you want to support?"
Ronnie says, "I don't know. You choose."
Ted says, "No, you choose." Ronnie says,
"No, you choose."
They keep fighting when another fire engine who looks very stern parks next to them.
"Shh," he says. "Stop fighting. Race is about to begin."
Ted asks him, "Who are you going to support?" The other fire engine replies,
"Of course, my brother Frankie 97. Now will you please stop talking? I want to watch the race."
Ted whispers to Ronnie, "I think I will support Frankie. That is Frankie's brother, and he looks angry. He might become more angry if I support Tanky. What say?"
Ronnie says, "All right, I'll support Tanky then. It is settled."
The race is about to begin. All the fire engines are in a row. On your marks, get set, go! Tanky 98 and Frankie 97 are really close. And Tanky 98 wins by seconds. Ted and Ronnie scream for joy. Hooray! But Frankie's brother is very angry.
Frankie did not win again,"
says his brother. He then leaves the scene immediately. Later, Ted and Ronnie meet the race fire engines and congratulate Tanky 98. Ted then tells Frankie 97, "Oh, by the way, we met your brother. He did not look too happy that you came second." Frankie 97 replies, "I bet he's upset. He has been training me for this season for months. But I'm happy Tanky has won." Ted says, "Oh, but that was a tough one. Both of you did well." "All right, then it's getting late for us. You two take care. Come on, Ronnie. We gotta get going." And so Ted and Ronnie bid the race fire engines goodbye and went back home. That evening, back at the fire station, Ted and Ronnie are talking about the race. Ronnie says,
"It was touching to see such good friends back there. Frankie 97 was actually happy that his friend won. That is a wonderful friendship, don't you think?"
Ted says, "You are so right, Ronnie. You know what? I am glad that I have a friend like you." Ronnie smiles and says, "Me too, Ted."